Hey guys, welcome to the Fighting Age Males, everything you need to know about masculinity and how to be a man. Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly will find success and wealth while others, like me and you, work our asses off and just don't get any luck? Well, what if I told you the thing that's actually working for them, which is thought? Let's dive in, shall we? First, I'd like to discuss the common struggle that we all go through, but none of us talk about. We grind our asses off, we work hard every day, and most of us will kiss ass when it comes down to it with the boss. Doing everything by the book, yet at the end of the day, you feel stuck. You've tried to motivate yourself with quick fixes. Maybe you indulge in a night out with the boys, get drunk, can't hang, end up throwing up, try and fight the bouncer, whatever the it may be. Or maybe you're stuck at home, no girlfriend, no mom, no dad, so all you do is jerk off at the end of the day to get your fix. But let me tell you something that you may not understand. Instead of feeling relief, you're left with feeling this gnawing frustration that is inexplicable anger and irritation. It's like you've just drained yourself of the very energy you need to push forward. Your serotonin and dopamine levels are spiking because you're jerking off, or maybe they're spiking because you're going to the bar every night. But whatever it is, they leave you crashing harder than before. Now you're more irritable, more discouraged, and even less productive. Why? Because you're stuck in a cycle that basically keeps you thinking small. What we teach is rewiring. And it may sound little, but trust me, this is what's going to shift your whole entire mindset. What happens when you have to rewire something? Think about it. Exactly that. There's thousands of wires to rewire. If you look at your body like an engine, you're going to have to rewire that entire engine bit by bit, piling tiny successes on top of your day. So instead of just thinking that, okay, I went to work and I came home, there's only two goals in that. Go to work, go home. Woohoo. So let's rewire that. What I teach my guys is, did you make your bed this morning? Boom. That's a win. Did you brush your teeth this morning? Boom. That's a win. If you do not rewire your brain to be achieving all the time, you will keep thinking down. And in the thought process is exactly how you win. So trillionaires like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, all those guys, and I say trillionaires because if you know, you know. They rewire their brains every single day. They brush their teeth, they feel accomplished. They get out of bed, they feel accomplished. They change their clothes, they feel an achievement in their heart. What you need to do is rewire your brain to feel an achievement every single part of the day. You feel 20, 30 achievements, even though they're small, they add up. It's a snowball. So you let that snowball run down the hill, you're obviously going to feel better. This isn't in terms of serotonin, dopamine release, and your brain just starts getting a pump of adrenaline. Oh my God. No. This is to teach you how to think properly every single day. The thought of an achiever is to constantly achieve. If you are not achieving, you are not improving at all. It could be as simple as brushing your teeth, lying in bed calmly for more than 5 seconds without checking your phone. It could be as simple as taking a shower. Whatever you tell yourself good job for, you rewire the brain. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. If you join us, the Fighting Age Male Society, and no, I'm not soliciting anything, it's 110% free. But if you join us, I promise you, that will be the single most pivotal moment in your entire lives. You will find an entire group of like-minded individuals who will teach you how to have the right mindset. We actually have 4 chats set up for this: stoicism, combat, nutrition, and attire. So we'll teach you how to think, we will teach you how to swing, we will teach you how to eat, and we will teach you how to dress. That is exactly how you will become a fighting age male in 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that I can continue making this content for you. And if you found this at all valuable, please comment below. Let me know what's going on. So that's all I have to say for today. Fix your mindset, and that's exactly how you will start with